Kai Kissinger for the Module 6 presentation for wrap-up notes. Here we got to find the greatest common factor of 30 and 50. The answer is 10 because that's the highest number that can be taken out of both of them. The highest for this one would be 15, and the highest for this one's 25, but you can't take both of those out of each other. So the highest that you can divide out of both of them at once is 10. So it would be 10 divided by 3 and 10 divided by 5, which is 3 over 5, or 3 and 5. Okay, next one. Let's save. Here we got, this is an issue for divisibility and factors. So you're talking about if this is a composite number or prime. This is a composite number because it's good for 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, and 15, and 30. So that gives you plenty of options. It's not a prime because a prime would be due to like 6, 30, maybe one other, right? So that's a composite number that they teach you in, I think it's prime and factorization, which is the third lesson in Module 6. Okay, for the next problem, we got a simplifying one. This one's pretty simple because it's 5 times 10. That's how that works. It's 10 times 10 times 5. Or no. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, so it's 10 times 10 times 4, which would be 10 times 10 is 100, 100 times 10 is 1,000, 1,000 times 10 is 10,000, 10,000 times 10 is 100,000, and it would go so on if you had a high number other than 5 right there. So you just multiply, you just add that 0 every time. So that's pretty simple to do. It's just break it down and then build back up. And people don't seem to get that. That's how that works, but it gets confusing. Okay, that concludes the Module 6 presentation. I hope it's a good understanding, sort of, and that it's helpful. Bye.